Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Shopify store domain is set and you have admin rights. This is necessary. Once done, sign into the Google account you'll use for Search Console and open the tool. Now choose a verification method. HTML tag is fastest for Shopify, but TXT DNS gives broader control. I'll show the HTML tag path first because it avoids DNS changes, and it's quicker when you need immediate Search Console access. Once you copy the HTML meta tag from Search Console, go to Shopify Admin and open Online Store, then Themes. Make sure to edit code for the live theme, Open Theme. Liquid and paste the tag inside the head section, above the closing head tag. Save changes and give Shopify a few seconds to publish them. Then click Verify in Search Console. If verification fails, don't panic. Refresh the store and recheck placement before trying an alternate method. After Search Console verifies your site, immediately add your sitemap. Use /sitemap. XML to speed indexing and submit it in sitemaps. Then monitor coverage and performance to see how Google crawls pages. Expect initial lags of a few hours to a couple of days as pages appear. If verification didn't work, switch to the TXT DNS record through your domain host or upload an HTML file if available. These methods resolve most issues. Make sure the correct domain variant, www versus non-www, is verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.